So today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and add your driver's license onto your Apple Wallet. Now, not every state actually has this available for them just yet, but I know California and a couple other states currently have access to this, including here in Arizona. So you can actually see my actual card is over here on my account, and it is officially approved for having usage in the state of Arizona. So I want to actually go ahead and show you how to get to this point. So what we're going to do is start over here on the main page of our iOS device, and we want to go ahead and load up our Apple Wallet. Now, I have an icon right over here to show you what that looks like, but of course you can also search for your Apple Wallet to be able to get to the next step. So we're going to go ahead and click on here, and now we're going to be in our actual Apple Wallet. And yes, I got a lot of cards on my account because that's what I do for work here. But you can see my driver's license is right over here at the very top for me to be able to utilize in any areas that I'm able to use. So in order to add your driver's license, we're going to want to go ahead and click on this little plus sign right over here on the top right of the screen. And this is going to take us to a new section. And you can see right over here, it says driver's license or state ID. And then from this page right over here, it is going to show you all the states that are currently available, with it seeming like more and more states are being added. So you'll click on the state that corresponds with your driver's license. Now, because I already have mine, I can't go to the next step. So I just want to clarify that the best thing you can actually do is go ahead and go outside when you are taking a photo of your current driver's license to get the best sun exposure. Having it under a light doesn't seem to do as good of a job. Sometimes I've actually gotten declined when going through that process. So take it outside in the sun and make sure that it is exposed as cleanly as possible. I put it on the floor and I just let that Arizona sun hit my driver's license to get the best possible image. And once you go ahead and go through the remaining part of that process, this is what your ID is going to look like on your card, obviously based off of your state. And what's the greatest part too is there is so many other great features when it comes to using the Apple Wallet, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here to learn all the great benefits and features of the Apple Wallet.